Hello and welcome back to the You Should Know Challenge, a course where you're learning 10 iconic songs for your ukulele. We are currently on song number 3, or Lava. I'll be teaching you the tutorial, and once you're done, you'll head over to my friend, singer-songwriter Abby's channel to do the play along. You're going to play from beginning to end with her. So let's get into the tutorial. You will need chords C, G7, and F. The strumming pattern that we're doing is down, down, up, down, up, down, up. So you can think about it as 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And so let's learn the chord progression for the intro. So we need 2 C's, down, down, up, down. Again, 2 G7s, 1, 2, 2 F's, 1 C, down, and back to G7. So let's do that together. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, down, G7. Again, F. Again, 1 C, G7. So the chords that you just learned, you will use for every single line of the verse. So why don't we just try and play through a verse right now? Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. A long, long time ago, there was a volcano living all alone, middle of the sea. He sat above his bay, watching all those playing machines. Careful with that C and 2. Okay, so you would continue this for all of the verses. So let's head over to a chorus. The chord progression for the chorus changes completely, but we use the same strumming pattern. So give me 2 F's. 1, 2, ready, go now. 2 C's, 2 G7s, back to C. The second line of the chorus is also different, so let's try it out. 1, 2, same strum, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. F, F, C, back to F, G7, 2 C's. Okay, so let's try to add some words to the chorus. So top of the chorus, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. I have a dream, I hope come true. You're here with me, I'm here with you. We'll snap the sea and sky up above. Send me someone to love. After this first chorus, we have these chords that connect us back to the verse, but because the whole song is in storytelling, the volcano is very sad, very lonely, and so we have to slow down our tempo to reflect that. So we're gonna do a slower tempo with F, F again, G7, G7 again, and C, and then we go into a verse still at this tempo. Years of sin and all alone, turned his love into stone tune. He was on the brink of extinction. Okay, so the next line, we actually go back to the normal tempo that we were playing at because the lyrics here are a little bit more optimistic. So let's try it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Little did he know that living in sea below another volcano was listening to the song. Great, good job. Now I'd like to do chorus 2 with you. The form is all the same as chorus 1, but we have a volcano eruption, so I thought we should try that together. Let's try it. 1, 2, chorus 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. I have a dream, I hope will come true. You're here with me, I'm here with you. to mention it, but there's a free printable for you to follow along with. The printable will have all of the markings where volcanoes erupt and where you have to do a single strum, where you have to slow down or go faster. So make sure to grab the printable down below. And by the way, if you're enjoying these lessons and would like to join my live lessons, I teach every single week on Patreon. So every week I do an ukulele lesson, a classical guitar lesson, and then every month I hire a professional musician to come and teach us a Saturday workshop. Usually these are like 60 to 90 minutes long, and they're intended to help you take your playing to the next level. So if you'd like to join the Patreon fam, I'll have the link down below, or you can just find me as patreon.com/Bernadette Teaches Music. It's a great place for all of us to get to know each other a little better. We turn our cameras on and we have a really good time. So I would love to see you there. It would be an honor to meet live. So come join us there. Thank you for being a part of this challenge. Use the hashtags if you're posting, and I will see you for the next one. Ciao!